This one happen for Kiabodo Delta State. Now where this one happen, I don't know whether I pronounce am well, but my Delta people, I sure say una know this place. So children go destroy their late father wife shop because she no gree to remarry from their family. Where is this one done? Like, it's unheard of. This thing, I think say na for past century this kind thing dey happen. Now I don't see am for reality. Say able-bodied men wey dem call children, they go scatter their father wife shop because say she no gree remarry from their family. My people, make una watch as these men dey use all their power, dey scatter the shop. Make una watch.
Now come you go sell out for this crap. Now scrap business in the show. Back am, go sell this crap people.
Now scrap business in the show. Go sell, not be scrap.
Scrap business in the show. Oh boy, money there now. Back am, go sell, go sell. Back am, go sell. God, why do you do a blessing when they beg her? Idiots. When you press mission in office, lock off physical. Now this thing they find this one you want to do.
Yeah, blood now different.
Now you don't do one.
Yeah, blood different.
Now this they find this 12 years with this. You don't do one. And I'll get your time, oh. And I'll get your time.
Una they see their old faces. Face where they like say hardship don't starve the face. Una they see how their faces dey. Then they break glass, they break frames, they break things for the shop. The other one day they drag things where they inside, they bring down dust, they do this one. Waiting they happen. Una they destroy shop. Let's say wedding or marriage now by force. Marriage now my question, marriage now by force. Which kind of thing be this one? Now then they tell the woman say may she leave the house with her 7 children. Una dey hear? 7 children. Where this woman go with the 7 children? When they instruct her say may she carry her things, they go with the 7 children. They scatter the woman shop. Maybe not even the last thing when the husband leave for am. These children they scatter the shop. Una go they ask me, these people them be children of the man. How come the children? This one no be the woman children, no. Now the man and another woman born. So now their stepmother be that. Now their stepmother when they treat like this. Even if their stepmother na 18 years old girl or 20 years old girl. Now why they go treat them like this? For the fact saying get 7 children, they supposed to pity the woman. At least this woman get 7 children. Make she use this one, they manage this one. Because say she no gree marry. Because say she no want. Person she fall in love, we don't die. So why una want enforce? Which kind longer throws with this one? Una want chop from where una father chop? Waiting. I don't even understand. Una want the same place where your father enter. Una want enter there. Go no waiting day. Which kind of thing be this? Now the reason why me and polygamy are no sure say I fit handle. See, polygamy na people like is for the strong. If you know strong, you know fit handle polygamy. You know fit because every day na drama. If one person die, na so from one drama to another drama. Now wetin you go dey see for that kind of family? Una see the man where they do the major destruction. The one where they upon the woman they talk for the background. The man still dey. That one in face they like say na him be the person wey wan marry her, she no gree. Una dey see how in face strong upon how she dey talk. He no gree. Which kind children be this one? They just they act like say they no even train them well. I been so Delta State people they behave. My Delta people make una talk for comment section. I want know whether this one no be the first time una dey hear of this kind thing, or this one no be the second time. I want hear from una mouth. Now so Delta people they behave. Una no get atom of respect. Give this woman, these people, they no get atom of respect. Give this woman, even though say the senior the woman, maybe the woman dey 19 years. May they respect the fact say their own father marry this woman, put for house. So they're not supposed to treat this woman anyhow. They're supposed to even give her maximum respect, like say she senior them. But yet they keep their face like mama we no even done. They keep their face like akamu we never rise. They destroy the place like that. Which kind of thing be that one? and they send the woman to go where with 7 children. Even if na one pikin, where she go with that one pikin? Now 1, 2, 3, no be 5, 7. Where she go carry them go? Even if she carry Ghana must go put them, then go enter. Where, like which roof then get to go? If no be the house where the husband carry them put, and the shop, the shop where she get they manage, where she get. This one they don't come destroy everything. Why? Because she no gree marry. Now so life dey violence take it by force. I not sure say this one go work. Which kind of violence be this one? You no go take anything. No. The woman, I just say her mind strong. Una they hear the voice for background. That woman no go gree for any marriage. So I don't know where these people they head to with all this their mass destruction. Maybe they destroy, they go because this woman, I no sure say she go gree for this kind of marriage. And polygamy. Hey, if una they marry people and children, make una try they train or they give them sense. Make them know how to follow up things. Make them know how them go take follow up things. Make una they give them, at least give your children sense. Don't be to pack children keep for house. All those children, I should say them plenty. At least make una they educate them small on things where they happen. This one, children just come there. I beg my people, this one pay me. He pay me. If una get anything to talk concerning this matter, make una put them for the comment section. Because as I dey here, I don't weak. Which kind of thing be this one? I be woman self, they pay me. I put myself for that woman's shoe. The thing said they boil me. My people, I beg, make una no forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Because I go to give una more story of things where they happen all over the world. Not be only Nigeria. No be Ghana, everywhere, worldwide news. So click on that subscribe bell. Make una know wetin dey happen for the channel, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Then don hospitalize one South African lady after her Nigeria boyfriend assault her for Turkey. My people, this South African lady na businesswoman and her name na Confidence Tato. Why her boyfriend name na Darlington Ozokwe, aka Donkwe. My people, these people don dey date for 5 months, and this woman don dey suffer domestic violence since this relationship start. And anytime this boy apologize give am, she go pity am, forget about everything, still continue with the relationship. She herself, she talk say she love Nigerians, and the time of this xenophobia, you know when xenophobia been happen for South Africa, where South Africans they kill Nigerians. Say that period, they support Nigerians because say she like Nigerians. And she talk say Darlington visit her, and this Darlington come dey accuse her say she steal in personal documents when carry come her house. And this Darlington been dey drunk. As the guy come drunk, in they ransack the whole house. They ransack. Finally, argument starts. From argument, Darlington start to dey beat her again. My people, na so Darlington beat until man pikin collapse. My people, make una watch the video and make una see how this room like how dem tumble the room. Una go know say World War 10 happen for that place. Make una see the video. Abi una don see how dem ransack the whole place. Woman come collapse from beating, and na her neighbors and her brother carry her go hospital for treatment. My people, na so this thing take happen. And when she report this case, Darlington talk say he no accuse her for anything stealing. Say he no accuse her. Say the thing wey happen be say he go the girl house, the girl come lock the house, try to rape her. Which one wey I go believe? I don't know whether the one wey the girl talk na the real thing. Say in come the house, say they accuse them, come ransack, they do this one, fight, everything happen. Or this one wey the guy. But which kind of strength that girl get try to rape am now? The girl never dey mad. Say you come your house, try to rape am. Rape am, say wetin happen? Na person wey she dey date, she go dey rape. Like this one, if I no even understand this kind of explanation this Darlington dey give. And I hear say no be the first time this Donkwe dey commit crime. say this one na another crime wey im commit. So my people, I no understand wetin dey happen. Now the woman dey wonder say she like Nigerian guys, she no know why this particular one treat am like this. And this guy talk say im go make her life miserable for Istanbul if she carry up this case. So if she try carry this case up, im go make her life miserable. So na the thing wey happen me I no go understand wetin I go even take again, whether na the guy really accuse am or abeg my people, I don give una the girl explanation, I don give una the guy explanation. Now my viewers, my people, make una conclude which one sound tangible, say he enter house dem wan rape am, or the one wey im come dey accuse the girl say im thief im document, come dey ransack, fight happen, woman collapse, dem say na go hospital. Which one sound tangible for una? Yeah, which one sound like real story? Because I don't know who to judge, I don't know who to blame again. And this guy, if he continue with this kind of domestic violence, I sure say the next one na for behind bars, he go find himself. Now behind bars, because me I hate to hear say man dey beat woman. Immediately you know say man don beat you once for relationship, once, my sister, remove your slippers, knack am, put am for your head, run comot from that relationship. Na the advice, because wetin I know from everything wey I don know from since dem born me till now be say if man beat you once, you tolerate am. Just know say every day of your life for that relationship or marriage na so gbas gbem. You go dey hear say dem don break the girl head, you go hear say her eye don comot, you go hear say she no dey breathe well, say her kidney dey frustrate her lungs. Different things you go just dey hear from brutality and fatality dem go give her. So if you be woman, lady, girl, female gender, you dey relationship, you dey marriage, dem don touch you once, carry your box. If you no get box, carry your bag. If you no get bag, you fit get Ghana must go. Carry your Ghana must go dey run. Na the advice wey I get for una. And for my men, make una try stop to dey beat woman. If woman provoke you, as a man you are, then you get reason why dem call am ladies and gentlemen. Gentle dey the front. Una suppose dey gentle. Immediately una see say the woman dey try to, una know when sometimes some women too dem no dey okay. Una know sometimes if they stay, no argument, no quarrel, dem go find something to aggravate, dem go find something to boost argument and quarrel. If you know say that kind of spirit dey come and you no fit condone am, and your own anger na another problem as a man, just jejely, jekuje, open door, take a stroll. If na to waka around your street or waka around your building, just dey waka dey go to kill yourself off for some minutes, then you come back house. By then her temper go calm down. No be every time you go reply woman, no be every time you go wan fight World War 10 show her say I strong pass you. We know say men strong pass us, so no try to prove anything. If you know say the woman dey find fault, dey find this one, dey find that one, just leave her until she talk okay, yes, okay, make she just dey run her mouth. If you tired to talk okay, yes, just open door gently, comot. By the time you waka for like 20-30 minutes, her brain go boot, she go return back to her sense. Unless you marry mad woman, that one there no get help for you. So na the thing wey I get for now, una don hear the advice wey I don give my fellow women, una don hear the advice wey I give my fellow men. So abeg make una try put all these things for una relationship, put am for una marriages. Una go see say e go help. Because this kind of brutality, una go beat keep person pikin one day. Na when you go cry, I love her so much, it's the outwork of the devil, I don't know how. No time to cry. Adjust now, she still dey alive. And you wey be woman, try adjust as this man still dey. Now the advice wey I get for una. So if una get anything to talk, make una put am for the comment section. Please don't forget, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Port Harcourt, wetin dey happen for that place? Dem don rescue 2 girls from the hands of kidnappers and people wey dey sell human parts for Port Harcourt o. And these people dem be job seekers. Dem leave Bayelsa go Port Harcourt to find work. I no know the connection, I no know how, but na work carry dem go Port Harcourt o. Na so these people enter small bus. People wey dey bus na dem catch dem, carry dem go forest, thick forest o. This one no be say dem be the first victim, so this one na like the second to third case I dey hear say e happen for Port Harcourt, wey dem carry people go forest. Now these girls dem keep dem for forest. For that forest, dem dey kill people, dey sell their parts. Dem dey kill, dey sell, dey kill, dey sell. And now their family and friends don dey find these girls. Their name na Blessing and Praise. Dem don dey find these girls. Dem never hear anything from them. Dem no know their whereabouts. Finally, dem come get calls from these kidnappers stroke human part sellers. Dem get calls from them o. The people don already dey drop ransom. Dem say make dem bring 5 million naira before dem go fit release them. And these people, their family don dey pray, dey pray, dey pray. Meanwhile, people wey dey there, dem dey kill them, dey sell their body parts. But this their own case, dem dey ask for ransom. So that one, at least we thank God say na ransom dem dey ask, dem no kill them o. And na like this now, dem start to bargain. Ransom come reduce to 200k. Na so people start to contribute so that dem fit, because dem give them time. Say if dem no bring am so time, dem go kill them. So na so dem hustle. Get this 200k, dem come pay am through business POS to these people. And as these people get the money, na so dem take release these girls. And these girls dem say for their very eyes, dem see where dem dey kill people. Dey kill, dey sell body parts. Dey kill, dey sell body parts. And na this same forest wey dem still another victim take escape o. That same forest, dem dey kill, dey sell body parts. Now these girls, dem don send dem go hospital. Dem dey treat dem based on starvation and beating dem see for that place. Now government, dem don hear before, wey the one wey even happen never tey from this one o. Dem hear say person dey kidnap people, dey carry dem go evil, abi na no be evil forest. Dey carry dem go one forest for Port Harcourt, dey slaughter dem for iron table, dey sell the parts. Big men dey come buy. Una know that story. Upon this thing wey dem don hear, even the girl mention church wey she see, mention the location, make people know where e dey for Echie local government. She mention am. No be say that video no go viral, everybody hear about that tori. Yet government no go there go invade the place. Why? Because dem know wetin dey happen. Even the Echie people, dem know wetin dey happen. Government know wetin dey happen. Everybody wey dey around that premises know wetin dey happen. Dem no even go do anything concerning that matter. Dem no even go find these kidnappers. Dem no go know wetin the kind business transaction wey dey happen for that place. Dem leave them. Business continues. People still dey kidnap people. Dey sell body parts for that place. Wetin dey happen for this Nigeria? And these girls wey carry their 2 leg go Port Harcourt because of work. Na so una no get ear to hear wetin dey happen for Nigeria. Nigeria no dey safe. Na now una wan go find work. Una no find work when Nigeria dey safe. Una no find work good time. Na now wey una go find work. After una hear wetin happen to Inyobon, wey go find work, dem rape am, do this one, do that one. Yet these girls carry their kpakpala leg. I should say na slim girls dem be. I be una no see their picture. They carry their leg go. Na so dem carry them go forest. They ask for ransom. Their luck be say dem no kill them o. That one na their luck. Na glory be to God, because I feel say na the prayers of their family people keep them like that. If not, that one go be another story. They no go even know their whereabouts. They no go know whether na kidnappers o. They no go know whether na people wey dey sell body parts o. They no go know anything. Na so dem go therefore just take loss. They go say maybe then they find them, not knowing that they already kill them, they sell their body. Port Harcourt, everybody open una eye as una dey waka o. Now where I go talk say to get motor na the main thing. To get motor na the koko o. Because if you no get motor, na public transport. If you no get, Now management you go dey manage, dey enter public transport to minimize money dey go where they go. Now that small means wey people dey manage na risky activity. Before you go know, you go hear say keke wey get 3 tires, then they use and they catch people. Before you go hear na bike, small bike wey you enter say make you go short distance, they don't carry you go even forest. Before you go hear the small one wey you enter, they don't carry you don lost. Wetin dey happen for dis Port Harcourt? Make dem just declare state of emergency on security for the nation, because na the only thing wey I feel say go help. At this point, the country no dey safe. Everything happenable is happening over there. Everything doable is I don't even know where to stand. No place dey secured. No place dey okay. Before you go know, you go hear say dem dey shoot gun. Before you go know, say dem dey carry people. Before you go know, dem dey kidnap, dey collect ransom. All those people wey talk say no pay ransom, no pay ransom. No, there will be nowhere to be found when dem kidnap person. No pay ransom, no pay ransom. Na dem go pay. Na dem go release those people. I be since wey dem put that law, I never even hear say dem don release person, pay money or catch the kidnappers. I never hear. Now to pull law, anybody that pays money for kidnapping will be sentenced to 15 years imprisonment. 15 years imprisonment. What is your own activity towards this thing? If they kidnap, waiting you go do? Like, what will you do to assist the process so people no go pay ransom? Small money people they use chop, they use take care of family, they pay children school fees, they do this one. Now waiting then they use pay ransom to remove their children. Nigeria, I don't understand though. This one, he weak me. Say girls come out, go find work. That's so then land for evil forest. Waiting. I don't tire to talk about kidnap cases. So, my people, if you not get anything to talk concerning this matter, make una put them for the comment section. And all of una, remember to be careful as soon as they come out. Please, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.